Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. This morning I'm going to head over to Harbor Freight and pick up an LED work light that I've been wanting to get for a long time. So let's go. I'm here at the Harbor Freight. Let's go inside. While I'm here, let me give you a quick tour of the store for those of you who have not been to a Harbor Freight store before. Now they carry a lot of different products. This is their Badland off-road towing products. They have winches and light bars. They have power sanders and drills. Woodworking blades. There's the Hercules cordless tools. They also have welders. Many different hand tools. Ratchets and sockets. The Icon line is their new line of more premium tools. This is their very popular Daytona 3-ton low-profile jacks. They also have other 3 and 2-ton steel and aluminum jacks. Paint guns. Compressors. They've expanded their line of cordless yard tools. Walking around this store, I can tell you the store is a lot more quiet now that they've stopped offering the 20% off coupon. I'm here on a Saturday afternoon, and usually the store is packed with people. But now without the 20% off coupon, people are just not coming here as often. And here are the Braun LED lighting products. They have many different styles of work lights. A couple of years ago, I bought this slim folding LED light, and I use it all the time when working on the car. I also bought this cordless LED work light, and it's also very good. Now the one I'm getting today is this Underhood rechargeable LED work light. And it retails for $36. So let's pick one up. Let's take this home and see how good this light is. Looking at the box, it tells you it outputs 845 lumens. You can set the brightness between high and low mode. It has a shadow resistant lens. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. And you can also use it while it's charging. The runtime on this is 7 hours. And the beam distance is 88 feet. There's a magnet on both ends of the light. The light features a 3-in-1 mounting system. With a magnet on both ends, you can stand it vertically. There's also a pull-out magnetic clamp that you can use to stretch under the hood. There's also a flip-out hook. Looking at the spec, earlier I said the runtime is 7 hours. That's only for the low brightness. If you set it to the high brightness, the runtime is 3 hours and 30 minutes. The charge time is 4 hours and 30 minutes. The overall length of the light is 41 5/8 inch long by 2 3/4 inch in diameter. It also comes with a 12 volt car adapter and an AC adapter. So let's open this up. In this box is a 12 volt power adapter and the AC charger. Here's the work light itself. And there's a user manual. Here's a look at the LED work light. In the middle is the LED light panel. There are a total of 96 LEDs. Here's a look at the back. Now to turn it on, there's an on-off switch on both sides. Press it once, there's a low mode. Press it once more, there's a high mode. Same thing on the other side. The on-off switch. Press it once more, it'll turn off. Press it once, low mode. Press it again, high mode. On this side, if you turn it around, there's a cover here, lift it up. There's a charge port for the internal battery. Now while you're charging the light, there's an LED indicator here that will illuminate red when it's charging, and it'll turn green when it's fully charged. Now one thing nice about the design of this work light is right here is not round. So when you're using this, you don't have to worry about this rolling around. Also on both sides, there are molded rubber grips right here. Looking at the end, here you see the 2 magnets, and also there is a flip out hook. Now if you turn this counterclockwise, this end will actually open up. And there's a rubber strap here you can pull on the end and stretch it. So with this hook you can actually clip this on one side of the hood and then stretch the light to fit the width of the hood. You can stand the light vertically while working on the car. Or you can place it underneath the car. So let's try setting up this work light underneath this hood. Now this hood is 65 inch wide, so it's a lot wider than the light itself. What we need to do is take off the cap on both ends. Now many new car has a hood that's made of aluminum to save weight, so the magnet won't stick to it. So in this case you'll have to use a hook to hook this onto the hood. Pull out the hook. Hook one side, stretch the rubber cord, and hook the other side. Now I'm already seeing one problem with this light. As you can see, the LED panel is facing upward and not downward. And where the rubber strap comes out, you see it's rounded here, so it just spins. Here's a closer look at what I mean. The inside circle here is smooth, so it just spins. Now I saw another video of a YouTuber that did a mod on this light, and what he did was took a file and filed notches all around the inside circle you see right here. So this rubber strap will catch on one of these notches and prevent it from rotating. But as you can see on my setup, this rubber strap actually don't even touch the edge. So if I was to put notches around this inside circle, this strap won't even catch a notch. I came up with a simpler solution, and that is to rotate the light to where you want it and get a clamp like this and clamp the rubber strap and the light enclosure. Do it to both sides, and this way the light will not rotate. So let's take a look at the light output. Now if I spin this back and forth, you will see some dark spots. So the light output doesn't have a complete coverage, but it does give you plenty of light to do your work in your engine bay. Another thing I noticed about this light, and I hope the camera can capture this, is on the side where the charge port is, these LEDs right here are brighter than the LEDs on the right side here. And I think this has to do with how the LEDs are soldered together. But I thought I'd point that out. Now the light output is still pretty bright, so even though this side's a little brighter than this side, you still get quite a bit of illumination. As you can see, it does illuminate the engine bay very well. Another nice feature on this hood light is if the battery's low, you can plug this into the charger. You see it's charging right now. And while it's charging, you can still turn it on and use it. And this is good because you don't have to worry about not having a light to use if the battery's low on charge. So you probably want to know what I think of this light after reviewing it. I think for the price, you really can't beat it. It retails for $35, and even though they don't have a 20% off coupon anymore, once in a while they do have instant savings on the Braun lighting products. And with the saving, you might be able to get it for $28 to $30. The overall build quality seems very good, and being a cordless rechargeable unit, you have the portability to use this anywhere. And with 845 lumens, it does provide plenty of light to light the work area. As for the underhood mounting system is not the best. If you're using the rubber straps, the light can rotate and it might not point to your work area. But as you can see, I came up with a very simple solution, and that is to use a clamp on each side to hold it in place. So if you're looking for a hood LED work light and you don't want to spend too much money, you can pick one up at your local Harbor Freight. Or if you want to check out what's available on Amazon, I'll include the link below. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section. Thank you for watching.